I'm standing outside of Sid's Diner here in El Reno, Oklahoma, the home of the famous Oklahoma onion burger. They've invited me back to their kitchen, so let's go inside. Well, I'm here sitting with Adam, third generation owner and cook and family owned business.
Scott, I'm glad you're here. These old onion burgers have been around El Reno. They're called depression burgers. This is where they originated. And so my dad doing this for 60 years. He's one of the last old school guys still around. I'm just trying to carry on a legacy. I wake up every day, I have my granddad's name on my shirt. I like to get to know you. What's your name? Where you from? An average day on here is about 700 hamburgers a day.
All right, so everyone that's watching, I'm sure everyone has heard of an Oklahoma onion burger or an onion burger, but this is the famous Oklahoma onion burger. There's a certain way you like to do it, and we talked earlier that you might show us a behind the scenes, step-by-step, kind of how to do it properly, and maybe someone can be inspired to do it at home. Adam likes to use 80/20 ground beef in the shape of a puck. He gets it pre-ordered this way. He also uses Spanish yellow onions pre-made each day as well. They pile it on, let it cook for 2 minutes per side. Then they like to use a masonry trowel, and they have been doing it like that for decades. Gets it nice and cooked 2 minutes. Again on the flip side, then they like to steam their buns to get all that onion flavor, just adding flavor into the bun. And then they also lightly toast it, and then you got this beautiful end product where the onions are translucent in the center but yet a little crispy on the outside with a nice toasted bun. You got a beautiful end product. It's so delicious.
All right, it is taste test time.
That was an incredible hamburger. The flavor was way more than I expected. It was so simple. It's this beef patty, it's onions, it's a bun. But you know what? A few trade secrets Adam told me about off camera was, and he gave me permission to share, is that they use pork salt to season their flat top. And I feel like that adds some extra flavor as I was biting into it. I felt like I was biting into history. I'm serious. Like, it was so good and classic and just an amazing hamburger. And then a few other things is that he talked a lot about just having his patty in the shape of a puck to eliminate so many steps because they make 700 burgers a day. So he outsources and buys his patties. It's 80/20. And then he has that company ship it to him in the shape of a puck. He wants the ground beef to be loose so that whenever he does go to smashing, it smashes easily. So he has like a whole system, and they sent him multiple patties a certain way to get it just right. Obviously, the bun is also special. You can't just buy this bun just from the grocery store. He has it outsourced from a special place. And if the bun is not used in 2 or 3 days, it goes bad. So he has a special bun that he doesn't want the bun to shrink. When he's lightly toasting it on the flat top, he toasts the bun on the side that's not fully lit. So it just kind of slowly kind of toasts the bun. He doesn't put it on the hot side. So he's got like a no heat, medium heat, high heat. High heat's going on the griddle that's smashing the burger. So, and then you saw those yellow onions, and it was a handful, just drenched over that patty. So those are a few things that stood out to me, was the pork salt, the special bun, and then he seasoned it with some salt as well, and then just a ton of those yellow onions, thinly sliced. all that coming together for a beautiful taste, and it was so delicious. So appreciate Adam's time and just the rich history that I hopefully you were encouraged by, and now you can kind of get inspired to make this in your own backyard. Let us know in the comments what you thought of Sid's Diner and what your favorite part of the story was. And again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.